Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. I first want to start by saying I hope you had a Merry Christmas. I hope that you were able to spend time with your family. I just did Top Box. If you haven't seen that, go ahead and check that out. And yeah, I guess I should let you know in this video too, if I don't seem like myself, or if I'm really not excited about everything, it's because I had to put down my cat on December 19th. He was my world. He was my absolute world. He was 13 and he got really sick and but yeah. So I am grieving a little bit, but I was so excited to do these boxes that I couldn't wait. So anyway, let's get into Look Fantastic. If you don't know what Look Fantastic is, it comes from the UK. It's a beauty subscription. Sometimes there's makeup, but it leans more on skincare. If I pay, I think it was like $21, but I did the contract for the year. So I pay every month still. I'm trying to describe it. But it's a little bit cheaper if you sign up for the year. If you don't, I think it's closer to $30. I'm not sure. You'll have to look it up. I'll leave a link below. Anyway, I'm really excited. It's a very gorgeous box for the Christmas theme. And then, oh, they always put a little saying here. And this year it says, Merry Christmas with love from the Beauty Box team. So cute. So cute. And then they give us a cute little magazine. Tells us all about the products. And then, ooh, a spoiler for the next box, which is face cream, I'm assuming. Yeah, some SVR, never heard of it. Oh, made in France, that's kind of cool. And then, yeah, it's a face cream. And then the inside just, yeah, tells us about the products, what you could, or what you got, or what you could have got. And then it tells you about it. So, this is what it looks like. I'm really excited. I've seen some spoilers for this one too, because I can never wait. Oh, God, you guys. Oh, look at the first thing I see. Bellapierre Pro Concealer Palette. I just got Bellapierre eyeshadow palette for pressed shadows in my top box as a beauty surprise. So she's just like everywhere this month. That's okay. We'll check it out. Plastic is sticking to me. All right. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, yeah. Pro Concealer Palette. Simple. The greens, pink and yellow. Perfect. I like the green covering up zits because, you know, girls got breakouts like crazy sometimes, and especially when I am stressed. But I'm excited to try that. Super funny that I got that too. All right, what else did I get? Oh, you know what? Oh, they don't even tell you anymore what the price is. They used to. What does it say about the Bellapierre? Nothing? It says nothing. I don't even see it. Huh. Okay, well, I don't see it in the book, so I'm not even sure about it. But the next thing I see is liquid hydrating serum. I have no idea how to, oh my goodness, if I could do this correctly today. No idea how to say the name. And I can't even tell you the price. It's just a nice hydrating serum. And it was this, or you could have got, or Ren Atlantic Kelp Body Lotion. Yeah. I would like to try the Ren. I've never tried a Ren product, but I'm not sad about this.
They used to tell you the prices, and I'm really sad about that though. But yeah, there's this one. No idea about it. I will link everything down below if I can find it and let you know about it. So cool. We got a hydrating serum. Ooh, what's this? We got Jecca Blac. Is that how you say it? I got Glow Drops Highlighting Primer for Face. Oh, it's a primer. I don't think I've tried this brand either. I have seen it, but I haven't tried it. Highlighting primer for face. This is what the bottle looks like. Glow Drops prep and brighten your complexion with a healthy, natural glow. Apply all over face using your fingertips. Use before makeup. Be fearless. Look fabulous. Let's see. Let's check this bad boy out. I don't think I've ever gotten a glowing primer before. That is really glowing. You are gonna glow. You could probably just use that as like a highlighter. Like, honestly. Right? Very pretty. Cool. That'll be fun to try later. I do want to try, if I can speak, it under my makeup. See how that works. I need to wipe 1 second. Okay. Easy peasy. Alright, let's see what we got next. Oh yes, I'm so excited about this. I'm really hoping I don't have this color. It's a balm, Petal to the Metal. This is the one next item. Shift into overdrive. Oh, looks really familiar. I think I have it. It's really pretty though. Hold on, let me see. So I already do have it. This one says turbo on it though. Now I'm wondering if this is the same color. It looks the same to me. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it is. It's a very nice creamy color. My hand's still really sparkly from the glow drops. But here's the color. I love it. I love the Balm Cosmetics. I really do. I have a bronzer that I use like constantly from them. My absolute favorite, which I'm of course wearing today. All right, I think, oh no, two more things. Two more things in the box. We've got, oh, this was, I think, our spoiler from last month. And it was, or is, sorry, AVANT. Pro-Radiance Brightening Final Eye Touch. Yeah, so just a nice little eye cream. Can never get enough of those. And then we have a double-ended brush by Brushworks. If I can get it out. Yeah, seriously, if I can get it out. Oh, here we go. Ooh. Oh, I like it. It's pink. It's like a metallic pink color, if you can see that. And white. And we've got that thick side, all over shadow, I think. Never tells you. And then we've got this side. But that's exciting. I'm never sad to get a new brush. I actually just washed like all of them. All of mine. Because I got this charcoal soap stick thing from Sephora, which worked amazingly. My brushes are super clean. Super, super clean. So, anyway, I'm excited. That's a good item. So what did you think about this month's box? There was other products. I can't remember if there was anything else I really wanted. Oh, yeah, there was a hairspray instead of... Oh, I didn't get either of those. Okay, so instead of hairspray or clay mask, I got the Bellapierre. That sucks. I really wanted to try that clay mask. Is pink clay facial mask by Sukin Sensitive. Kind of wanted to try that. Would have been nice to have another color, a different color that I didn't already have. But, I don't know. It is what it is. You can't choose everything. And yeah,
Anyway, that's everything that's in this box. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.